Flapper valve not sealing properly? That's a super common headache that can waste so much water and mess up your toilet's flush. So here's the deal. First, check if the flapper is all warped or cracked. Usually means it needs replacing. Next, give the valve seat a good clean, because gunk and mineral deposits can stop the flapper from sealing right. Don't forget to adjust the chain length connecting the flapper to the flush lever. If it's too tight or too slack, the valve won't close fully. You can also try applying a little plumber's grease or sealant around the valve seat to help it seal better. Make sure the flush valve itself isn't cracked or damaged, because even a tiny crack can cause leaks. When you replace parts, use ones that fit your toilet model to avoid compatibility issues. If the water level in the tank is too high, lower it so water isn't leaking over the overflow tube. Finally, always test the flush a few times after fixing stuff to make sure everything's sealing properly and no water is sneaking through. One of the biggest mistakes people make with flapper valves not sealing properly is ignoring buildup on the valve seat. This junk stops a tight seal and causes leaks, so clean it up regularly with vinegar or a gentle scrub. Another issue is using the wrong size or type of flapper. It might look close enough, but even small differences mess up the seal, so double check your toilet model before buying replacements. The third common problem is leaving the chain either too long or too short. Too long means it gets stuck under the flapper, and too short keeps it from closing, so adjust it so there's just a tiny bit of slack. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle and stress. It also helps contractors get connected with real customers looking for their specific skills, making the whole process way smoother for everyone.